Okay, so I'm just going to go through the blog system. We can see on the right here we've actually got a blog set up on this website. So this is the blog page here, and you can see the nice parallax effect in this theme with the images there taken from each article. And then here's some general blog tools here. So the way we actually set this up, firstly we need to define which page is going to be used for the blog index. So we've got a page here which we've already created, and we can see that the blog widget has already been added to that page. So that was just a question of dragging this blog widget onto the page and then hitting publish. So once that's done, we can then just work within the blog system itself by publishing blog articles, and you can see we've got 3 here already, and they're the ones that are showing up on the blog page here. As a visitor, you can then obviously click read more and go off to the individual blog article page and see the full text. And these pages are built using the same tools obviously as the normal pages on the website, but they go through the blog template. So we've got the automatic blog sort of functionality added into the template here, as well as some site-wide areas which are added automatically to every blog page. And then as we go down, we can see the commenting system, which lets visitors add comments to your blog articles, and you can actually reply to these as the post author using the author reply password, which is set up over here under blog articles. The value is just change me by default. Obviously change that when you go live with the website. So it's just a question of actually putting that into the comment website field here, and that will then format your comment as an author reply. So if we go ahead and have a look at some of the functionality in here, if we just double click one of these, we can see we're given the same editing tools, and we can work with that to change the content of the blog article page there, and we see the live preview on the right. If you click page here, you can see we've got tags and published date, 2 values that don't apply to normal pages but do to blog articles. So the tags system, we can add any tags in here that you like, and separated by commas, and click save, and you can see those tags are showing up here now. And then for the visitors, that lets them click a tag, and that will show all articles with the same tag. And you can see the tag cloud populates down here with all the tags on the website as well. And the published date obviously is what defines this date up here. So if we go back to blog articles, we can see this one has got 3 comments, so we can just click the comments button there, and we can see all the comments on that blog article and process those. We can either delete them or just mark them as hidden, depending on what you want to achieve. There's a setting also in website settings, blog articles, comments require approval. This means when a new visitor posts a comment, it won't actually show up on the website at all until the site owner approves it. And if you put your email address in here, you'll get notified when somebody adds a new comment. So if we go back to blog articles, blog articles can also be given an author or put in categories. So you can manage authors here just by doing something like that, and then going back, and now we can see we can attach that author to that article. And then if we go ahead and look at this, we can see the author shows up here, and clicking it jumps down to the little bio. Obviously you could put your name in there and make that a bit more populated. The category system is a normal categorization tool. You can go ahead and add categories here, and there's also a show oldest entries first option. So when somebody's browsing by category, if this option is ticked, it will show the oldest first rather than the most recent. So if you have a category called news, you might want the most recent ones showing at the top, but another category might be for a different purpose, and you might want the oldest ones showing at the top instead. Obviously down here the visitors have got a little calendar system, so they can scroll through here, and the days where blog articles were published, they will actually be able to click that day to view all those articles, or you can actually click the month to view articles published in that month. Obviously there are none on this one, and we can go back and click show all to view the main index. So it's a nice little system that lets you publish easily to your blog on your website. It also includes an RSS feed for the main blog index as well as the comments on an individual blog article as well.